Okay, let's see if we can get this take 55 going. It has been kind of a task to get this going on here. I'm taking this from one server to another, and it's been fun. I hope this actually records and we move on. So here I have my screen saved. I'm gonna hit play on here. So on my server over here, I went ahead. I have a Parrot operating system Linux, and I got this screen. What is it? Simple screen recorder. I went ahead and downloaded that. The mouse on it's pretty bad, so it's feels like I got like a big thumbs operating it. But here on the Tor, we're just gonna go over here. We're gonna download the site. So we got a mouse doesn't want to bring me down to this little penguin, so we know that we're getting the right operating system to download our browser on. So if you're doing Windows, do Windows, Mac, do Mac. So we're going to save the file. We could open it, no big deal. We can open it and just run it where it's at. I'm going to save it for further usage later on. We can X out of this because we're going to actually we're going to download first. We're going to X out of this browser here in a minute and show that we open it back up. So we got it in the background there. So let's X out of here and we'll check out what we have opened up. Just right click it. We're going to open it up within Grandpa. And then we'll go through a series of windows here to get where we need to go. It's basically like a zip file. So we're going to have to extract this. It's a tar. Not Tarzan, but tar file. So we're going to extract this. Pull this up, go down to the, I'm wanting to right click it. I'm just Windows friendly. I just want to right click and extract here, but we're just going to go here down to the bottom right hand corner. It's going to extract it out. Then we'll open up the files from there. Pretty easy. We'll follow the, we'll just show the files. 2-thumb mouse, remember that. So we get up here, we're going to right click. We're going to right click to open the file. Come down here, you can see the Tor setup. Might as well open that. It looks obvious. Give it a second. All right, well here it must have said that I was running 2 instances. Maybe I right clicked 4 or 5 times. I'm not sure. We'll just X out of this and redo it. So it's kind of being whatever. Just hit it again. We'll show a connection here. When you're in the Tor browser, I mean, you're really able to search a lot of different things, you know. So here we have search with your DuckDuckGo. But I'm going to put an example here, just marketplace, and see how much of a generic search it gives. But this isn't necessarily what we want. We want to find something a little deeper. So what I want is the onion. We'll type this 4 times before I get it right. Marketplace. Now, you got to do a little bit. I'm not going to go all into it. I'm just going to show you that I got there. But what you got to do is you got to do a little bit more deep looking, because you got to know that you don't want an HTTPS or a www. You're wanting more of this weird encrypted looking number and letter combination, and that'll get you to a site that you know that you're actually into the dark web. This here, I just got to walk through it. Not now. But I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you that I have this site here. If you do a little more looking, you're going to get some sites that are .onion sites. You don't want anything that's, you know, .com or .edu. This is it. This is the end of it. I'm going to exit out of everything. So this shows that we got to the Tor browser and we can get around. We know a little more. I've been on the dark web, so I know where to look kind of to find some stuff. I'm going to do a little loop action here probably. Oh, that me pausing the recording. So that's it. That's an installation of the Tor browser and a little bit of surfing. Hope you enjoyed.